Hi guys, I am Jordan.
And I'm Jared.
We're here with JJ Cruz. We are so excited today to share with you my favorite restaurant. I don't know if we share this, but my favorite restaurant at C150 Central Park. Now, before we jump into this, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a little comment for us. Have you been to Central Park? We want to know. But without further ado, this is 150 Central Park.
Enjoy.
That's so good. Really, really simple but delicious. It's Gregor's cucumber, lemongrass, and basil. And that's it. Cheers. Alright, so we have parka bread, and this bread is delicious. It's kind of like a brioche bread. The green sauce that you see on here is actually truffle butter. It's sprinkled with black pepper and a little bit of lemon on top. This bread pulls apart and it is delicious. If you've ever eaten at this restaurant in the past, they had bread with different types of salts and butters to try. So this is a change. And so that this has been on here for a part of 2019, but this bread is also really good. We miss the salts, but we really do like this bread.
Sunchake, or other name is Jerusalem artichoke. And I would like to ask you if the name of this bread is Piscini, if you can just flip it over. The reason is I'm asking because there are some black truffles, and while the soup is hot, the truffles get some heat and all the flavor will come out. Some, deep fried shallots and some turmeric and a little bit of potato chips.
Amazing.
For you, sir, use the pumpkin seeds. In the middle, it's creme fraiche. It's very, very rich. Okay. Please enjoy.
Really good. Oh my gosh, you have to try it.
What's the flavor like?
It's pumpkin, for sure. And it's so savory. It's like savory pumpkin. It's delicious. It's so good. Alright, you've got soup too.
Yes. Alright, here we go.
Oh, that is delicious. Let me get one more spoon.
It's so creamy. It's rich, but not too rich, because I hate too rich. But it really has a good balance of different flavors. A lot of different levels in here. You can taste the sunchoke, you can taste the chips and the peppers in here. Yeah, it is really, really good.
What we do also, on the top of the pork belly, 3 different kind of things also. Celery root, green apples, and some watermelon as well. There's a parsley puree, and the sauce is made of the pork rind. It's a reduction actually. And the producer also has 3 different kind of organic carrots. Well, if you haven't seen black or purple carrot, right here.
Alright.
A little bit of it's called polenta with a lot of mascarpone and cheese, and some braised bacon on the side. Please enjoy.
Perfect, thank you. Alright, this is my favorite thing on the menu. I may have had it more than once already this week. So good. The beef is like so tender. I don't even really like fat on my meat, but the fat in this meat has so much flavor. It's so good. If you're a short rib fan, one of my favorite short ribs of all time. Highly, highly recommend.
Alright, so I'm gonna try the pork belly here. This is the first time I ever had it. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but knowing that's from 150 Central Park, I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste great. Alright, here we go. Oh boy. It's definitely crispy, just like it said. Oh, I love a good crisp crunch. Alright. Alright, so this is really good. What it is very crispy, crunchy. It's got that pork flavor to it. Kind of like bacon, but not, just like a good pork belly would. But what I love about it is the slaw, I would almost call it, on the top, of the apples and the puree underneath. It all just blends together for that perfect fit and balance between something that's a little bit more tasty with the apples, a little bit more fruity, with something a little bit more sharp and meaty. So good. Definitely recommend this one.
So the puff pastry inside the mushroom duxelle, inside the lamb loin with butternut squash and sauteed spinach. Lobster Thermidor. Have you tried this before? Lobster Thermidor?
No.
So what the chef does here, because lady, she removes the meat, she poaches the meat. We mix together a little thyme, parsley, a little bit of butter, a little bit of cognac, parmesan cheese, mushroom button as well. We mix it together, we place it back, lemon béarnaise, and we dip it in. And that's a little fondant potato in the middle, and organic vegetables as well.
All right, thank
Please
you.
enjoy.
Thank you. Alright, so I have the veal medallions. This is my very first time trying this. I'm gonna see how it goes. Got a really nice red wine, port wine reduction sauce. Let's go ahead and taste that. The sauce is called Madeira sauce. It's not my favorite because it's sweet. It's like a sweet wine sauce. So, of course, because Chops is right across Central Park here, they brought me a cup of peppercorn sauce, which is my favorite sauce on the ship, and so I'm going to be substituting the sauce out. That's why the sauce is on the side. The meat is super, super tender. It's well seasoned. It's honestly very tender, and it's very good. For this being veal, it honestly tastes like a fillet. I mean, it's really delicious.
So this is the lamb Wellington. Lamb Wellington, I've had beef Wellington before, and it's amazing. One of my favorite ever dishes. So I'm really excited to try this lamb Wellington for the first time. Here we go.
Well, looks so good.
So the puff pastry is really good. I would say the lamb is a little, well, I'll try a little bit more, but I believe not as flavorful as I like it with beef Wellington. But let me try it just to make sure. It's very tender, which is great. I maybe just want a little bit more flavor with it, maybe a little bit more spices. But overall, really good dish. Alright, so since I love entrees here, I got two. I want to try both. This is the Lobster Thermidor. I haven't had it yet, but you heard earlier how they cook it very special here. So here we go. Ooh, I can already tell it's going to be really good. That's delicious. This is very rich, creamy, buttery, just everything you'd want from a lobster dish. What I love about this is you can still taste the lobster. It doesn't override the flavor of the meat. The profile is perfect on this. I would highly recommend this dish. It's so good, I gotta get more. Alright, so I've already been to 150 Central Park this trip, and I wasn't a big fan of the desserts. So what I do is I do have a big favorite at Chops Grill, and that is the key lime pie. This thing is amazing. Every ship I go on, if there's key lime pie at Chops Grill, I order it. I ask for a special request at the special dining restaurant, even if it's not Chops Grill. So I already know this is amazing. It's perfect, it's balanced. So with that, I'll take my first bite. Amazing, just like I remembered it. So rich, but in a good way. The meringue is so fluffy, so tall. There's so much good custard there for the key lime part. It tastes just like you're in Key Lime, Florida, which is Key West. It's perfect. I highly recommend doing this whether you're at Chops or at another specialty restaurant.
Oh my goodness, that food is making me hungry.
Literally salivating.
You guys, the food is so good at 150 Central Park. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and we want to know, what is the one thing that either you have tried at 150 Central Park or you would like to try? Have you been there? Comment below and let us know. Thank you so much for watching.
This is JJ Cruz signing off.
Bye.
Bye.